Hi guys, thanks for coming to my channel. So I have a lot of instructional videos, tutorials, and ways that you can make your training work better. So I just want to let you know that these videos aren't meant to be instead of taking classes or working with a person live one-on-one, but they're meant to supplement your other training, especially for you aerialists out there. So these exercises are meant for people who don't necessarily have time to get to the gym every day. You can do a lot of them at home. You can purchase a couple little main things like some rings to hang from a tree outside, or get a pull-up bar, a yoga mat, a block, some exercise bands, some basic things that you can like stock your house for less than $50 so that you can do some in-home training to complement your classes, so that when you go to your classes you can really focus on technique and skills, and you already have the baseline of understanding of strength, of connection, of flexibility, and how to use your body in a really safe way. You can put my videos together in sequences to create a whole full workout for yourself, or whatever time you have each day, you can just take a short video and just do that. Even if you only have 10 minutes a day, you can take one of my videos and do that, and you're bound to get connected into your body in a way that's going to make you feel better throughout the day. If you have more than 10 minutes, great. If you have an hour, if you have 2 hours, you can stack my videos on top of each other in order to get a full workout with a full stretch and to feel really great. The most important advice that I have is to enjoy every step, enjoy every little piece of strength that you gain, or every little piece of flexibility, or every little piece of awareness that you get in your body. Enjoy it. Stop comparing yourselves to how you want to be. Stop comparing yourself to who is better than you, and just enjoy the process. Like really, that is the key. Because then you want to practice, you want to do your work every day. Instead of being like, oh, I'm not good enough, you're like, oh, I can't wait to feel what I'm gonna feel today. I might feel stronger, actually, I might have less energy than yesterday. But then you know to rest and to eat well, and then you're gonna feel better the next day. It's all a practice, whether it's focused goals, whether it's acrobatics, whether it's just for personal achievement, whether it's just for feeling good. It's all a practice. You're never gonna reach a goal and then feel satisfied. You're just gonna work with this stuff for the rest of your life. So enjoy it. Do the stuff that feels really good, and then challenge yourself each day with something that maybe you don't like as much, but you know that it's gonna be really good for the overall health of your body and the overall practice, and gonna help contribute to the goals that you're working towards. So I hope you enjoy working with my videos, and feel free to email me, feel free to comment on any of the videos. I always get the comments. Feel free to suggest or request certain things that you need to work with, or that you want to work with, and I love helping people out. I also really love to work with people one-on-one in a physical way. So if you can get yourself down to Casa Chango, Mexico, down here in Puerto Escondido, we would love to have you visit. I'd love to work with you. You can sign up for one of our focused retreats. You can come down for a personal retreat and work one-on-one with me. We're here almost all through the year, so just contact us, sweetretreatsdr@gmail.com or sweetretreatsdr.com. I hope to see you soon.